This shit is ignorant right here, Rocket.
Yeah.
Nigga, this shit is so zany, man.
Yeah, it's
Mob
that
shit, man. Mob shit, man.
2000 Wild 10.
Rick Rock. What's happening?
E40 in this motherfucker.
What's that?
Yeah.
What's that?
Look, bitch, look, bitch. I need mine. Quick, fast, in a hurry. Pronto, sucker run up and get a 3-piece combo. Northern California from the slums of the V. Who are doping to kill you for a balloon of Gaddafi. I'm on this special sauce right now. I'm oiled up, I'm turned. Drinking, blanket, weeded, burn. Bumping my favorite rapper, go by the name of E4O. He was saying shit 20 years ago, y'all niggas just nowed out. It's over the head like a flying saucer, some of these suckers lost. Never had close encounters with the streets or the cops. My watch and my batteries, my rims and my tires, my voltage regulator starter and my amplifier. Old school siding on them Memphis Mojo, audio, woofers, tweeters, horns, slap, hookers, heaters, warrants,
I ain't getting set up, trying to get this bread up. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Coming from Vallejo, pimps pushing tail, triple beat scales got keys. I know fools talk about what they got, but I'm really feeding these streets. Coke, smack, meth, pills, trees. Tell me what you need.
I just got off the phone with my pimp partner. He pimp house. Said he don't want no black girls, he wants some pink toes. Some pink toes? Yeah, some white girls, man. They easy to manipulate, persuade, and play with their fucking brain. I said, man, you a fool. Why you do like that? He was like, Feezy, you know I'm about them dollars, man. I'm a Mac. I gotta admit, ever since I known him, kept a bad batch. A stable of hoes, kinda like those in a pocket full of smack. We some Bay boys, till we dead and gone. We like to talk slick and sly like the family style. Little $1 with big dreams in our eyes. Waiting for things to mature, waiting for things to materialize. I know some niggas that been shot in the head and lived. I know some niggas that been shot in the leg and died. I know some folks that got they top split like a bagel for snitching and rolling over and telling on folks like Fonseca.
I was born to sell,